Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to remove all settings, how to erase all settings from printer Brother DCP-T420W. To do that, on the left panel, find Administrator. Then find Reset menu, and here you will see all settings, or Machine Reset. So if you want to reset absolutely everything, you should click Reset All Settings. And here we have the note, so let's read it together. During a reset, all machine operation will halt, including printing. Please confirm that the machine is not operating before you click Yes to reset. Please note, IP address of the machine will be reinitialized, so it will be different than now. So it will be impossible to reconnect to your printer using the same IP address. The login password will be deleted if you have installed different one. The current settings will be changed to the default. You can recognize them after the machine has rebooted. Are you sure you want to reset? Click Yes. Wait a while, and after a while you will need to connect to your printer again as first time. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you!